to enable automatic software update on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Additional Settings. After click on Additional Settings, click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and you will see automatic system update is here. If you want to enable automatic software update, so turn on automatic system update. After turn on automatic system update button, go back to home screen. So you will see automatic software update button is enabled. So that's how you can enable automatic software update on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.